Imagine waking up tomorrow and suddenly half the internet stops working. Your favorite website? Broken. Your online payment? Declined. Your email? Not sending. Even your favorite apps start acting strange. But the weird part, no hackers attacked, no servers crashed, nothing exploded. Instead, a tiny invisible service quietly disappeared. A service so small, most people don't even know it exists. Yet companies pay trillions of dollars every year for it, and you use it every single day without noticing. This is a story of the $1 trillion business hiding behind the internet. And once you see it, you'll never unsee it again. Let's start with a simple question. When you type a website into your browser, how does your computer actually find it? Your computer doesn't actually understand that. Computers speak in numbers, not words. Every website on the internet has a secret number, kind of like a phone number. Try remembering that. Exactly. You can't. And neither can anyone else. So the internet created something genius, a giant phone book for websites. It's called DNS, the Domain Name System. Think of DNS like this. Take me to youtube.com. Oh, you mean the computer at this number? And then boom, you're there. Simple, invisible, instant. Now, here's the crazy part. Every time you open a website, your computer asks DNS first, every single time. Open Instagram, DNS check. Watch YouTube, DNS check. Send an email, DNS check. Order food, DNS check. Millions of checks every second across the planet. And companies realize something important. If DNS is the internet's phone book, then whoever controls the phone book controls the traffic. And traffic means money. So huge companies started building massive DNS infrastructure, faster servers, global networks, security protection. Because if DNS is slow, the entire website feels slow. If DNS fails, the entire website disappears. This is why giant companies like banks, streaming platforms, and online stores pay huge amounts of money for premium DNS services. Because when DNS goes down, the internet panics. And that panic has happened before, more than once. One famous DNS outage took down huge parts of the internet. Suddenly, people couldn't access major shopping sites, streaming services, online games, even news websites. The internet looked broken, but nothing was actually broken, just the phone book. Imagine if every phone book in your city vanished. No numbers, no contacts, no directions. That's what DNS failure feels like online. And businesses realize something terrifying. If DNS fails, they lose millions per minute. So they started paying a lot of money for protection. Today, the DNS industry is massive. Not millions, not billions, trillions of dollars flow through businesses that rely on it. Companies like cloud providers, security platforms, and infrastructure companies quietly power the internet's phone book. But here's the strange thing. Nobody talks about them. They don't make viral apps, they don't create social media platforms, they don't build flashy products. Instead, they built the roads of the internet. And just like real roads, you only notice them when they break. Every website you visit, every game you play, every email you send starts with DNS, a system invented in the 1980s, still quietly holding the internet together. So the next time you open a website, remember this. Before the page loads, before the images appear, before the video starts, your computer first asks a simple question. Where is this place? And somewhere, a tiny invisible system answers. Instantly. Every time. That quiet system powers $1 trillion part of the internet. And most people never notice it.